Imagine telling your dermatologist that you're thinking about using magic mushrooms for your skin. Sounds crazy, but here's the thing. Scientists just published a study showing that psilocybin, yes, the stuff in psychedelic mushrooms, might actually protect your skin from aging at the cellular level. Let me explain. We've known psilocybin works wonders for depression and anxiety, but earlier this year, researchers found it extended lifespan in human cells by over 50% and made aged mice live 30% longer. The mice didn't just live longer, they also looked better, had better fur, fewer grey hairs, and actual hair regrowth. But this new study is different. It's the first to test psilocybin against the kind of aging that most of us are actually facing, the damage from too much sugar and fat. Think about it, the Western diet is literally rusting our cells from the inside out. High glucose and fatty acids create these molecules called reactive oxygen species that break down collagen, trigger inflammation, and make skin wrinkle, sag, and age prematurely. So researchers asked, can psilocybin protect cells from this? They took human cells and blasted them with high glucose and palmitic acid, basically simulating what happens with metabolic syndrome or diabetes. They then added psilocybin, and here's what happened. Cell survival improved dramatically, aging markers dropped back down, cell death decreased. The inflammatory signals that destroy collagen were shut down by psilocybin. It even helped restore normal cell cycling, which gets disrupted under metabolic stress. The mechanism was through serotonin receptors in your skin, reducing oxidative stress and preserving telomeres, which are the protective caps on your DNA that shorten as you age. Now, before you run out for mushrooms, hold up. This is cell research in a lab, not a cream that you can buy. The doses used aren't the same as eating mushrooms, and we have zero data on topical application. Plus, there's a catch. Psilocybin didn't boost collagen genes, it actually decreased them in some cases, though it did increase elastin, which gives skins that bounce-back quality. The researchers think that this makes sense. Under extreme stress, making poor quality collagen might be worse than just doing damage control. But here's what's actually exciting. This study shows that metabolic damage isn't irreversible. With the right intervention, in this case psilocybin, cells can be protected and even rescued after damage occurs. Whether psilocybin becomes a skincare ingredient, that's years away. But for now, the best anti-aging strategy is still managing blood sugar, eating well, and keeping inflammation in check. Though isn't it crazy that ancient shamanic compounds might hold clues to cellular youth? Sometimes cutting-edge science circles right back to what's been here all along.